Meet RoboPet, your intelligent robotic companion designed to recognize and remember you. Using advanced facial recognition, RoboPet securely stores your facial data, ensuring a personalized experience every time. It greets its owner by name while ignoring unfamiliar faces, keeping your environment secure. Smart, secure, and always by your side, RoboPet brings the future of robotics to life. Discover RoboPet today.
Hey, look into the camera. Waiting for a creepy smile. Analyzing. Enter your name. Give a smile and look into camera. Analyzing. Yeah, my honor. I am here to follow you.